Welcome back to our sanctuary of self-care and skin love. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, a journey not just of beauty, but of well-being and self-discovery. Imagine starting your day with a ritual that not only brightens your skin, but also your soul. That's what skincare is all about. It's not just about the products we use. It's about the message we're sending to ourselves that we're worth the time and effort. Let's talk about the basics: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. But here's the twist. As we explore each step, I'll share how these routines have become my moments of meditation, my daily affirmations of self-love. And what about those days when our skin doesn't cooperate? I've been there, struggling with breakouts and sensitivity. But here's what I learned. Our skin is a reflection of our lives. Stress, diet, sleep, it all shows up on our face. So let's not just treat the surface. Let's nurture our whole being. As we wrap up, remember this: skincare is a personal journey. What works for one may not work for another. It's about listening to your skin and your heart. So, take what resonates with you from this video and make it your own. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep glowing from the inside out.